Hello everyone. This video is going to be an update to our previous outdated trading guides for ICDEX. A lot has changed on ICDEX in the past year, so we're long overdue for an updated guide on the trading process. This video is going to focus primarily on standard order types like limit and market, but we'll have another video on pro orders linked in the description for those of you interested in taking advantage of those. Trading on ICDEX is designed to be a very intuitive process. We have a familiar order book and order type layout, a clever pooling mechanism modeled after AMMs like Uniswap, which ties directly to our order book liquidity, and a clear pairings list to help you navigate just like you would on a centralized exchange. We also have things like trade mining events, where you're rewarded for trading or providing liquidity during the event period, and we have a wealth of information-based pages to help you track pairings and market information. We also offer loads of more advanced features geared toward professional traders, which we cover in other videos. To make a trade on ICDEX, all you need to do is either connect or create a new wallet here in the top right. Now in this case, I already have a wallet set up for this demonstration, but the process is very straightforward and you just need to follow the prompts to get your wallet connected or set up. Now, once we've done that, we just need to go to this main exchange page, and on the left here, we can navigate to our pairing of choice either through the search bar or by scrolling through the list. And once we're on the pairing we want, all we need to do is analyze the order book and decide how we want to trade. If we like the orders available here, we can place a simple market order to buy or sell instantly at market price. This would fill the pre-existing orders we see here in the book, starting from the best offer and working its way through them until our order quantity is met. I'll briefly demonstrate the market order process just to show you how simple it is. Next, I'll demonstrate a limit order. So in the event we would rather get a better price point and we don't mind having to wait for another user to fill the order for the trade to complete, we can use limit orders. Now, these have no guarantee to be filled, so depending on the price you're setting in relation to the current market price for that asset, you may be waiting a long time for your trade to complete. These limit orders, of course, can be canceled at any point though, so if you ever change your mind or want to adjust the price, you're always free to do so. Placing a limit order is very simple, and we'll just need to focus on the order price and order quantity fields. The price is the price per token we're looking to buy or sell at, and the quantity is how many we're looking to buy or sell. There's also this sliding bar we can use to select percentages of our holdings to invest or sell off. Once we have this dialed in, all we need to do is select the buy or sell button to submit the order. And when it's completed, we should see it in our open orders, and we will be able to see it appear in the order book as well. Now that the order is live, it'll remain in the book until it's either filled by another trader or I cancel it. So as we can see, trading on ICDEX can be very simple, and it's an intuitive process even for users entirely new to trading. In our other videos, we cover more advanced trading features, so please check out our channel or the description below for videos related to those if you're interested. We hope this video helps, and please feel free to reach out to us in our community channels if you ever have questions or concerns about the platform.